Hi everybody, hope you're doing well and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this lecture, we will talk about friend function in C++ object-oriented programming. In previous video, we already talked about friend classes. Now in this video, let's start with friend function. What is friend function and why we use friend function and when we use friend function, okay? Now, a friend function of a class is defined outside the class, right? But it has the right to access all private and protected member of a class. It means that if you want to access a friend, if you want to access a private data of a class, it's impossible. Without two conditions you can access. Simply if you friend class and friend function. In these two concepts. Friend class we already talked about in previous video. Please check our videos. We already upload on your YouTube channel. Now in this video, friend function. Now friend function can access all the private data and protected data, and public is public. Now friend function can access any data of a class. Private and protected, right? Member of a class, okay. Even though the prototypes of friend function appears in the class definition, friends are not member function, okay. To declare a function as a friend of a class, precede function prototype in the class definition with keyword friend as follows, okay. Now simply we use friend keyword. Now let's jump to VS Code and see a practical example. For example, my dears, I have a class by the name of test, and in this class, for example, I have a private portion or access modifiers, and after that I have, for example, a int variable emp id, employee id, and it's 1001. In here I want to include public access modifiers. And after that, for example, here I have a string variable emp name is equal to what? James. Simply James, okay. Now after that, simply I want to include a function by the name of void showInfo, and after that simply cout me what? Cout me id, and after that simply I called emp id variable. Did I remember emp id? Okay, what happens to typing emp id? And after that I want to entail as well, and cout this time name I want in the emp name. Okay, it's done. Simply I want to use semicolon here. Simply we have class test, after that private portion, and private portion we have simply a data variable emp id, right, which will be accessed simple in that class. Outside of that class, not allowed. And string we have emp name, which is public. You can access anywhere that variable emp name. And after that I have a function by the name of showInfo, and simply cout these two variables. Right, now if I want to create the test obj, simple test obj object, and after that obj dot, I can access showName and showInfo. I mean showName variable showInfo. My dears, one thing more, that without creating object you cannot access showInfo function. Right? Without creating object you cannot access show function. If you want to access this show function, you have to create object of that class. For example, this is in test class. After that you have to create test obj object, and after that obj dot with dot operator you can access. Now let's see. If I want to run, wow, it will print me 1001 and the name is James. Okay, no problem. Now if I want to create a function, for example void, in here firstly I wanna friend a function by the name of friend void, and the function is display, and after that simply semicolon. and here I use friend keyword, friend void display. Now in this program, everywhere if it is a display function, it means that function can access the private data and public data and protected data of this class. And we already talked about in previous video class as well, that class also can access and function also can access. Now if I want to create a void display function, for example display function, and simply I copy these two values and move it to what? Friend function, which is void. Now in this case I have an error. And what is the error? The error is that simply I want to use no need of these. Okay, let's see. And I want to move these two statements to the body of what? Display function. Now it's fine. Okay, what's happened here? Simply I want to come in this one. Okay, sorry, what happens? Just simply I want to use, for example, okay, it's done now, and I want to move it to display function. Okay, fine. Now we have an error. In an error is a compilation. Identifier EMP-ID is undefined. It means that EMP-ID is undefined. Where is EMP-ID? Here in display function you don't have any EMP-ID variable. It's undefined. Okay, if you want to access EMP-ID, you cannot access like this. I told you here that showInfo is also not accessed here in main function. How can you can access that? You create object and after that you can access on object. Simple. Now simple you can pause here test obj object of text class. Now I want to use obj dot. Now it's fine, and after that as well obj dot. Now it's fine. Okay, we don't have any error. But in EMP-ID variable I have an error, and the error is that here in display function test obj you pause me object, and here as well I want to pause test obj object. Now let's see. Okay, the error is fine. It means that I can access the private data EMP-ID, which is private and public and also protected. Now let's see. Yes, 1001 in James, but it's not function show. We don't have any display function. I don't call it display function. If I want to come in these two statements, now what will be output? Nothing, right? Okay, now if I want to access display function, you can access display function directly without creating any object. Display, simply I wanna simply call display. Now we have an error, and the error is a few arguments in function. It means that here you have a parameter in its object, and simply I want to create what? Test obj object, and simply I want to pause here that obj. Now it's fine. Let's see. Wow, we got the output ID and name, which is ID is private, but I access how? Using friend function concept. Right, okay. This was all about, my dears, about friend function. In previous video we did talk about friend classes. In this video, friend function. Two concepts and very important concepts. Sometimes and usually you might use this. Sometimes in project base, and you might need a class or a function to access the private data of another class, of another function. Now in this case, if you don't use friend function, friend class concept, impossible to access the private data of another class, right? Okay, this was all about for this video, my dears. In this video we talk about friend function. I hope you enjoyed the video, my dears, and if you enjoyed the video, please like the video and share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe our YouTube channels. Thanks for watching, my dears. I will see you next time.